Alright y'all, so today we are going to be making, well, we're really just assembling it. We are making ice cream sandwich cake. It's exactly what you think it is. We need a whole stack of ice cream sandwiches for this, 24 to be exact. We have some hot fudge sauce, we have some caramel sauce, we have some chopped pecans, and we have about 16 ounces of whipped topping. Like I said, pretty simple, all about assembly. So let's get to doing that. Alright y'all, so we have a 9x12 pan here. We are going to unwrap our ice cream sandwiches. And we're going to create our first layer. Pretty fun, pretty tedious. So let's do it. Now we're going to take about half of our whipped topping. Now we're going to take about half of our hot fudge sauce. We're going to go ahead and spread this out as well. Now we're also going to take about half of our caramel sauce. Now rinse and repeat. Now we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle on our chopped pecans, however few you want. So now we're going to go ahead, throw this in the freezer for 45 minutes to an hour. We need to let it re-firm up. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there you have it. Ice cream sandwich cake. This is great for parties, potlucks, anything like that. I would definitely say large group gatherings, unless you want diabetes. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.